close. So first of all, tell me this. Is there anything you can eliminate?
It's not, well, I know that's what I circled, but so it's not G,
Exactly.
and then I didn't think it was H because it's not talking about any other factors.
Well, so basically this
Is
question is just, it's giving you the speed of approach and, the distance that they're initiating, right? So
yeah,
um, I just took a look at F at first and I was like, the lizards only feel threatened when approaching humans. Well, that isn't even correlating with what it's telling us, right? So we can
yeah,
immediately eliminate that. G says increased exposure to humans correlates with flight initiation distance. We don't know that. All it's giving us is, increasing distances as far as increasing speed of approach. So we're left between H and J. But if we read J, it says the lizards on the mainland feel most threatened by approaching humans. That's a biased statement. Um,
yeah.
I mean, the speed, this is dealing with speed, so we can totally eliminate that. That's more of like a personal bias. So it's actually H. So exposure to humans is not the only factor influencing the distance.
And then on the next one, I got A, G, D, J, B, J.
100% too. You're on a roll today.
All right, not D just because it's talking about Earth and Saturn, but not Mercury.
Exactly, yeah, because it's basically saying we're looking at Earth and Saturn up here, right? And
Yeah.
they essentially have the same line. There's a slight difference in Mercury if you really take a look at the fine little detail. But yeah, it's basically just saying, what could you make? And the crumpled paper falls slightly faster. Whatever you're doing is working. Like just like the science, I think brushing up on the simple stuff is going to really help you out.
Yeah.
So let's start with 36. If you can turn to 36.
Okay.
So what I think we should do is let's do a few of these. I don't think you need to do like the green boxes. I think you're a little bit more advanced. I think we should start doing questions right off the bat. And then if you're doing well, like 100% on all of them, we're going to skip to some more advanced stuff, okay?
Okay.
Does that work?
Yes.
All right, so go ahead and do 37 for me and we'll talk about it.
So I got D, H, E, and F.
Okay, so it's just number 4.
Okay, is it G?
Take another look.
Or is it K? I don't know what those little, the smiley face and the frowny face thing means.
Okay, so it is K, but
Okay.
yeah, basically, so what is this asking right here? This is this is a simple question. I know it says a tougher question, but
Basically, it's just which one of these means 3 times 2, or which combination of N and O equals 6.
okay, perfect.
That's
Well,
what
do you understand what the empty set means?
yeah, it's none of those answers. I
Exactly.
didn't know if it, I kind of thought that this one meant multiplication and this one meant division. Is that like I had it in computer science. It's like this including this or this not this.
Yeah, it's like, okay, so N including O and then N not including O. So whenever it's upside down, it's not including.
Okay.
Okay.
But so it's neither of those and it's just K.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
See, a lot of these, like, it's hard to choose an answer when it says like, okay, it does not exist or is not, there's no answers. But
Yeah.
sometimes, like we were saying, that you just got to go with your gut and move on these questions, And I
Yeah.
think you've gotten really good at that, especially with the science.
Okay, cool.